Hi everybody, and welcome to Improve My Maths, a maths channel to help you to improve your maths by yourself. In this video, we will be learning a subtraction mental strategy. This strategy is called Making Subtraction Easier, Part 2. This video was made to help children who are 8 years and older, so make sure it's suitable for you and whatever class you're in. Okay, so what are mental strategies? Mental strategies help us to do addition and subtraction sums in our heads easily and quickly without using paper. Today's mental strategy is a subtraction mental strategy called Making Subtraction Easier, Part 2. This strategy is used for subtracting 3-digit numbers by rounding them. In Part 1, we found an easier way to subtract 2-digit numbers. Let's get started and do our first example. So, here we've got 348 take away 99. So, because it's a mental strategy, we're going to find the answer to this sum in our heads only and not use paper like we usually do. So, to start answering this sum, we're going to start with the 99. And we're going to make it bigger by 1. A trick I'd like to teach you with subtraction is that you will get the same answer if you erase the numbers together by the same amount. So, therefore, if we make 99 bigger by adding 1, we also have to make 348 bigger by 1. I'm using boats to show you this because if the water level rises at sea, then both boats will rise together. Now, just be careful because this trick only works for subtraction, but it doesn't work for addition. Okay, so back to our sum. So, we added 1 to 99, and raising 99 by 1 will make 100. Then you do the same with 348. Adding 1 to it will raise it up to 349. So now we have a new sum that will give us the same answer. Now we have 349 take away 100. So, now that the sum is easier to do, let's figure out how to get the final answer. So, to do 349 take away 100, we're going to hop from 100 back up to 349 to find the difference between the two numbers. So, we're going to jump from 100 up to 200 first, and then from 200 to 300, and then from 300 up to 349. So, 100 to 200 is a difference of, well, 100. And 200 to 300 is a difference of 102. And then 300 to 349 is a difference of 49. So the total difference between 100 and 349 is 100 plus 100 plus 49, which is 249. So, back to our original sum. 348 take away 99. It will have the same difference because it's pretty much the same sum. So 348 take away 99 equals, remember to raise both numbers, then hop the difference. 249, which is the final answer. Great work. Let's do another one to make sure we understand. So, here we've got 653 take away 397. So, because it's a mental strategy, we're going to find the answer to the sum in our heads and not use paper. So, to start answering this sum, we're going to start with 397. And we're going to make it bigger by 3 this time. So if we make 397 bigger by adding 3, we also have to make 653 bigger by adding 3. And remember, we're using boats because both numbers get raised up. And remember, be careful because this trick only works with subtraction and it doesn't work with addition. Okay, so back to our sum. So we add 3 to 397, which will bring us up to 400. It'll round it off nicely. Then you do the same with 653. You bring it up by 3, which will give us 656. So now we have a new sum that will give us the same answer. We now have 656, take away 400. Okay, so now that the sum is easier, let's figure out how to get the final answer. To do 656 take away 400, we're going to hop from 400 up to 656 to find the difference between the three numbers. So we're going to jump from 400 up to 500 first, then from 500 up to 600, then from 600 up to 656. So 400 to 500 is a difference of 100, then 500 to 600 is a difference of 100, then 600 to 656 is a difference of 56. So the total difference between 400 and 656 is 100 plus 100 plus 56, which is 256. So back to our original sum. It will have the same difference because it's pretty much the same sum. So 653 take away 397 equals, remember to raise both numbers, then hop the difference. Well, the answer's there. It's 256, which is the final answer. Great job. Okay, before we finish up, here are a few you can practice by yourself. Just pause the video and have a go of them by yourself. P.S. Here's what you're going to have to add to each side to do the sum. Great job! You've hopefully mastered a new subtraction mental strategy today. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and see you again soon.